Hey Escambia County, and welcome to another Byte of Tech with your student data team. Today we're looking at Focus Gradebook and learning how to add category weights. Let's jump in. While setting up your gradebooks and creating your categories, you may notice that you don't have the ability to weight the assignment grades by a percentage. So if I click on my category and I'm editing or creating a new category and I don't see that option available, I need to first enable this in my gradebook settings. In order to do that, we need to go to our settings in the top right corner, and we're going to look for the Configuration tab. Here towards the bottom, you'll see the ability to weight assignment grades by category. Go ahead and put a check in the box to enable that, and then apply those changes. Once those changes take effect, you'll be able to go in and create or edit your categories with the ability of putting a percentage for final grade here in this box. Please make sure that you save your changes and that all category weights add up to 100%, or you will receive an error at the bottom of your screen. And that's another Byte of Tech. Thank you for watching. Check out some of our additional videos listed here, or hit that subscribe button so you get notified for our new content.